So, we have successfully subtracted two numbers and added it onto our text. But what do we need to do? We need to have something happen once we get into negative numbers. So if negative numbers happens, then something's going to happen. Oh, if. I wonder if I need an if statement here. So if, then, because every if needs a then, and of course we need to end the if at some point. So know that if something happens, then something else will happen. So, how do we determine how to make this a negative number? So when will this equation become a negative number? Obviously, when our second number over here is higher than our first number, since we're using subtraction. So if my string length is greater than starting number, then something will happen. How are we going to know something's going to happen? Well, let's test this out with a label. So LBL, remaining text. Now, those of you that are going, wait a minute, you're using LBL remaining text already. You're going to change its text. And right here, you're going to change its text again to test something? Okay, fine, I'm just going to comment this out. I'll comment that line out, so we're not even going to see it then. But of course, I could, the way a computer works, once again, is line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll do this and change it, and then blank, blank, boom, it'll change it again. But it'll happen so quickly, you and I won't see it. We would have to physically do a break every single line in order to see it happen step by step. So really, even if I don't comment this out, I won't see it because I changed it later. .text equals, I don't know, I'm just going to say, that's too much. And while I'm at it, let me just change that to a capital R. So let's just test this baby out. And I'm typing. And now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next one should change. Next one should change this from saying characters remaining to that's too much. So we know that this if statement right here works. So, but what do we want it to have happen? Let's take a look at the finished result again just to make sure. So, the finished result here expects that once I type a bunch of stuff, matter of fact, I'll just leave it like that, it expects all this stuff in here, every single individual character, to turn red, but not all the text, only the specific text that's above the amount. How are we going to do that? Well, I'll tell you how we can do that, because we can have ourselves a loop inside this if statement. Now, I haven't gone over loops yet, so let's go over loops in the next video.